Hey, welcome back, you guys. Sean and Alice here, Bay Real Experts, Coldwell Banker Realty in Panama City Beach, Florida. And we are at Kristina Walton's listing here. She's with Keller Williams. And we are going to do like a buyer's agent preview of her unit that she has listed at Dunes of Panama. This is A103. I think I kind of stole everything. But
I know, right? Just get with it.
all right, you guys, I'm gonna take you outside to show you the entrance from the front door, and then we'll go through the unit. So as you can see, A103 is where we're at. So this is technically, because it's a one, you might think it's a ground floor unit, but there's actually a place to park underneath us. So we're technically, see, like over there, that's what it looks like. Over here as well, there's a place to park underneath this unit. So let's go inside. There's a stairwell over there, and then right behind this wall here is the bank or the tower of where the elevator is. Okay, so as we enter, immediately to the right we have the kitchen. Oh,
There be light.
and then proceeding further into the unit, we do have a hallway. And then we also have a dining area. And it's like the breakfast bar here on the other side of the kitchen counter. Hey, let's go into this hallway here, see what we got. We have a pantry. And we have a bedroom here. I'm going to try and turn the light on in here. Hey! So this window here just overlooks the hallway outside the front door. Straight across from this room, you have your stackable laundry. And what was that off to the right, Alice?
That was the AC.
Oh, let's take a look. Okay. And then we have a bathroom here. And a shower and tub insert with, actually has doors installed. I just want to give you guys a tip for those of you that do not get motion sick. There's actually, if you click on the gear icon in the video, you can speed up this video if it goes a little too slow for you and you want to skip around or review things. If you're already a seasoned YouTube pro, then that probably was a useless bit of information for you. Then we have the second bedroom that has the Gulf view.
This is nice. Come over here.
Yeah. Can I go this way first?
Yeah.
So we have mirrored closet doors, and you can see how deep the closet goes. Your vanity section here, and your shower. Oh, someone's calling. Call you right back. All right, now into the bedroom. I know you all want you all want to see that view. We're getting there. Alice is like, you know what? Forget this. I'm gonna spend the time on the balcony. Another angle of the room here. And I'm being beckoned out to the balcony through the door from the bedroom.
This is the place to be. Look at there.
All right, let's look at it. So straight ahead to the right there, you see that little green roof on that, kind of like a gazebo looking thing. I don't know what the proper word for it would be. That is Rick Seltzer Park, so there's not going to be a condo built here to block your view. So this is a great spot. You'll get sunset views here all year long. I did see a kitty cat over here in the dunes. It was the same color as the sand, so. And then you have your other door that goes back into the living room. All right, you guys, we know you want to be here. Alice, I'm going to let you close this video out because I've been doing all the hard work on this video. So come on, contribute a little bit.
Well, if you'd like to see more video like this in another building, another unit, just leave a comment below or give us a call. We'd love to help you. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button.
And the like button.
Yes.
But really, if you guys want to buy this condo, give her a call. I'll leave her phone number in the description area below. We'll talk to you on the next one.
Bye-bye for now.